Hello and welcome to this video and channel. My name is TJ, and on my channel you can find videos related to affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Today I'm going to talk about my process when I'm building a sales funnel and the checklist I go through. As you know, sales funnels refers to the buying process that companies lead customers through when purchasing products. I'm using ClickFunnels to make my sales funnel since it's very easy to use, and you already have templates to pick how you want your funnel to look like. So when I'm starting to make a funnel, I have a product or service that I want to sell. So that's my main offer at a certain price. I know that when I'm starting to promote something and people have never heard of me, they won't buy immediately. And that's why I'm thinking of how can I get them hooked or excited about my offer. So when I'm creating an ad or building a sales funnel, I always think about this process, or I treat this entire funnel not as a sales process to make money, but I treat it as I'm talking to a real person with a real buyer. So if I'm asking for someone to give me their email address, then I need to give something in return. Every time someone sees my ad, it's always an exchange. So if you click on an ad, I will give you this. And if you give me your email address, I will give you this. Or if you click on this email, I will give you this. So you need to give something in return if this potential customer is giving your email address. So that's why it says, so on my squeeze page, I will always give something, a free book or something. And the price, of course, is free. There is no price for it. So they will give me the email address and then give them the book for free. So you can make this on your squeeze page. You could give a free book, a free video, or a coaching call, or some other products. Just try to make it interesting. Once you're past that page, once your customer is past that page, you try to sell the main offer. Hence, the name of this is sales page offer. When I'm on this page, when I'm building this page, I always think of the price of my main offer. It can be too pricey, of course, but I also think about the bump or the bonus the customer will get if they act immediately. So that's why you have a sales page offer. You will, of course, provide all the necessary information. You will give the main price, and then if they're tempted, if the customer is really into it, you can also offer a bonus or another bump at a certain price. So basically, they will get more value if they purchase at this price at this time. So it's either a limited time offer or something that is so tempting that acting now will be worth it. That's why I put this here, the order bump and at work price. Always think about that. Well, what else can you add to the offer to make it more valuable for the money they're giving you? So if you're successful in this stage, then there's another opportunity to give or to add. That's why it's called an upsell offer. It might be a pricier product or service, but your customer is already hooked and they want to be a part of this. They want to be a part of this process. So try to give an upsell offer at a good and reasonable price. I always think about potential stuff you can add within the funnel. When you can add, what you can offer, treat it as you are the customer going through this. What would you like to see? How would you like to be treated? So think about this entire process and every step of the process. What would you like to see? There's a great book that I read recently, and you can really learn valuable stuff, and it's written by Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels, and he talks just about that. How can you get traffic and traffic secrets? Hands down, this is a definitive book on traffic and driving your ideal customer and your dream 100 into your funnel and to your web pages. What I love about this book is how Russell breaks down traffic so that anyone can understand how to build a list of raving fans and buyers using very simple and repeatable strategies. He shows you step by step how to maximize and capitalize on the 3 types of traffic, and you can find that on page 83. When you know how to drive traffic, you can dominate your niche. So I will highly suggest to check out this book. You will find the link below this video in the description box, and it's completely free for you. So grab that free copy of the book below and tell me in the comments did you like it or not. So let's get back to the topic. So basically, once you make a sales funnel, this is not the end. You need to add more value to it. So if you have a funnel that is break even, you should be celebrating. Don't try to make this entire process perfect. Don't try to make a perfect funnel. Just get it out there and always test and test some more. I always try, whenever I'm building a funnel, I always try a few different colors, pictures, fonts, and so on. The quicker you try and fail, the better. So I had a funnel recently that was getting me leads for less than 70 cents, and it was amazing. The cheapest leads I could get. Always try to aim for the value, not perfection. And always think about the exchange. If you're looking for an email from someone, then it's an offer. If you give me the email, I will give you this. It's always about the exchange. So think about it like this. I have a product that I want to sell, but first you will get this as a bonus. Then if you buy, you will give another thing, and so on. And that's how you make an offer irresistible. And another thing that I need to think of is the process that happens after somebody gives you the email address on your squeeze page. So when someone gives you the email right here, as I said at the beginning, your customer might be stuck at this first page. They have given you the email address, but after that, they're gone. So that's why it's important to have emails ready in the back office. Again, this is the process of exchange. If you open this email, I will give you this as a bonus, and so forth. Don't be too aggressive with emails. See what works for you the best. Make it personal and always try to add value. And always have emails ready. So after the squeeze page, have emails ready, and after the main sales offer page, also have another funnel where you're sending emails. Try to get customers like this as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Check out the useful links below this video, and I will gonna see you in the next one.